we got our new person moving in. First of all, Perrodin, the project specialist, hit that like and subscribe button this morning. Put a grab handle on over here. And I took a little bit of the edge out of the slope here. I brought some blacktop, bags of blacktop in, 4 of them from Menards, and sloped that a little bit more gently. We got the garage all cleaned out from what we had before. New people are moving in. Dean rebuilt the steps, new lights up here, and new flooring. All the other stuff went. Hickory cabinets, brand new dishwasher, place set up here for a stackable washer dryer right on this level. And yeah, the walls are all painted. We got hickory cabinets, a little shelf area over here, some added cabinets, new stove, new refrigerator. Somewhere moving in, we did put a ding or two in the refrigerator right over here. We got 2 dings in it, but otherwise, yeah, it's brand new. It's still got the plastic in it, never used. Dishwasher, had to hook all that up. It's all set up, ready to go. Everything painted, new flooring. A new, I think they're called water ticks. I get them from Menards. I put one in for my parents last year, got a video on that. But the nozzle, okay, there's a control on that. You just press a button, and so the water comes out the smaller one, or you can have it coming out the top one. I like this because you don't have to be like for my wife and I, if you're not tall enough to change the knob up on top, all you have to do is hit the button on this to get water, which is cool. So that's all done. Yeah. Bedrooms are all painted. Looking nice. This turned out, like I said, we put a lot of hours into this, and this turned out well. I'm super happy about this. I had a friend once, he was an excellent artist, and I said, gosh, if I had your abilities, and there's still a few things that I could take this a little bit more beyond, but, and he said, but you are an artist. He said, you just are an artist with what you do at the inside of a place or landscaping. He said, you do some really cool things with that. And I've always kind of held on to that. Hit that like and subscribe button in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Take care. Have a great day.